So today in this video we shall factorize 18x square minus x minus 4. So to factorize the first expression 18x square and last expression minus 4, both are same. So 18 times 4 mean 72 and 9 into 8 mean 72 and 9 minus 8 means 1. In the center we have 1, so it becomes minus 9x plus 8x. So minus 9x plus 8x means minus x, and 9 times 8 means 72. So now we separate these expression into two parts, that is first and second, first and last two expression. So now we find out the common in these both first expression. So common here is 9x. So 9 times 2 means 18 and x minus 9x already came, so remaining 1 plus common in both is 4. So 4 times 2 means 8 and x minus 4 already came, so 1. So now again we find out common in first and last expression. So here it has 2x minus 1 in both. So 2x minus 1 is common, and remaining here 9x here plus 4. So 2x minus 1 and 9x plus 4 are the required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.